going out for an adventure today, trying to make it as far upstream as we ever have before. Normally, we take this path on the fork. Today, we're taking that path. It's a little bit cloudy out and we're not getting much sun. With us trying to make a record, that might be an issue. Let's see what happens. What did we just hit? I think we just bumped into that. There's a whole tree right there.
I saw it. I didn't think we were hitting.
Yeah.
Like it looked like there's rapids up right now.
There might be.
This is not good. We're going left or right?
Right, and then you got a cut left.
Yeah,
This log is one of my least favorite features on the river. I just want to wrap that thing in tannerite. Still?
Yeah.
Stuck?
Current's pushing our nose over.
Not a good place.
This is bad. If we get pinned on this thing, we're screwed. Which we kind of are.
Yeah.
Just keep going left and right. That's today's episode.
Some distance run. Can we just go straight forward and nose into that and then manually pull up? If we nose into that, we're gonna be on top of that thing and then bounce down the river and get pinned on that thing.
Ooh, we might have something. We might be going. This is the most we've turned. Coots, bring your weight back over here so that way we create more drag. And all of a sudden we're going back. How in the world can that be happening? We just keep going back and forth. Should I just gun it and try and fly through somehow? It seems like we're turning good. Should I try gunning it now that our nose is pointed?
If we go out.
This is a bad idea. This is not good.
I'm gonna try and give it some gas.
I think our best bet's to try to go upstream.
I'm trying to go anywhere. I just don't want to hit a tree with the motor going like full speed. It's at full blast right now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Going? Yeah. I can't turn though. Ah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is not good. I gotta give it gas or else it's gonna like toss us. Can you like push the nose at all?
I'm gonna try to push the nose out and then leap back on and hopefully we got free.
We're floating.
Huh?
We're floating.
Something's shoving us.
We might be cantilevering on the branch. We might have to take the saw and cut that branch.
That's what's grabbing us right now. So we're gonna.
Hey, you want me to cut and you be on the wheel?
Coots gets all the fun jobs.
Coots is gonna cut that branch while I attempt to steer us in this elevation. Well, that worked. Now we're pinned on it on a shorter stalk. Yeah, can you use that as a lever?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, that thing's gonna burst in my face, isn't it?
It might.
Jesus.
I could probably cut it again.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh my God, there's so much pressure right here. All right, maybe try doing the thing you were doing. There you go, there you go. Just get us out a little more. There you go, come on. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh no, that's not where we go.
Want me to jump?
We're on this rock. We gotta get just like a foot left. Get ready.
There we go.
Ooh. Ooh, come on, motor. Oh no, the motor's dead.
The motor's dead?
The motor's dead.
Uh-oh. What happened?
I don't know. I was giving it full gas and nothing was going. All right, it's back.
Okay.
Maybe it was just letting us know that it didn't agree with our policies.
Agreed, motor.
But now we're stuck back on that same thing.
Yeah, just facing the other way.
I'm gonna give it some gas and try and go forward to try and get the fulcrum point forward. I don't know.
Wait till it goes all the way.
Tell me when. Now?
Try it, yeah.
Are we just doing a 360?
It looks like it.
Oh, we're moving. Dude, I don't have control. I don't know what to do.
Hopefully we can skate over this.
Dude, that's gonna smoke our motor. Oh, yep, we're screwed. No, this is gonna be so bad.
And we're stuck.
See anything?
On the back left, there's actually a stick kind of like wedging us in.
I'm gonna give it some gas and see if we can just push our way off.
Oh, it feels bouncy. Feels bouncy. Okay.
Oh, no. You wanna send us a new propeller propulsion?
Well, we're stuck again. There's a tree right there, but we're not stuck on that one. At least I don't think. Probably looks decent though.
For what it's been through.
Yeah. It's a champ. Coots is going aloft.
Maybe an eagle eye view.
Scout it out for us.
Here's an eagle eye view of the area we should have never attempted to go through. When Money Pit boating first started up, that log reached across and intertwined with that log and made a log jam here that we called Dead Deer Dam because there was a dead deer carcass in it. That should have been an omen. Don't go up this path. Another omen should have been all the obvious logs that were in the pathway.
Meanwhile, it's time for some Hot Pockets. Never had them before. Give them a go. How hot is it?
Perfect, just bite right into it.
I'm gonna wait a couple minutes. Not bad. Not too bad at all. My man is suiting up in the waders, and I think that's a horrible idea. Usually my ideas are wrong. So hopefully this works. What is your idea?
Kick off that thing that the propeller's whacking on.
Oh, like sit on your butt on the boat?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's my idea. I got an idea. You should sit down right there.
Go on.
I think I should go up front.
Keep doing that. We might be forward enough to get the motor going. It doesn't look like it's gonna hit that.
Yeah.
I'll turn on the motor and I'll get in the front of the boat.
We're moving.
And then we move like a foot and a half, maybe 2 feet.
Ooh, it looks like you're actually doing something. He did not skip leg day. Okay, I'm gonna go front. Nothing?
Maybe another inch.
What are we gonna do?
Running low on ideas.
Maybe give it a bunch of gas.
Flat hitting. Look at the log.
Oh no. You got an idea? The man has an idea. Where do you want me?
Try bouncing up front.
You just don't like me. Anything?
Yeah.
Keep going?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm tired.
Hold up.
I was hoping you'd say that. What do we got? Did you push the tree back? Or did you push us forward? You're kind of wiggling us. What if I give it gas when we do this?
Go.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Ooh. What if I give it a little bit of gas and I go forward? Ooh, there we go. Ah, there we don't go.
Sounded like it was this back left pontoon.
Your left?
Yeah, my left. Starboard.
Starboard. Starboard.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. What's the game plan?
Go front left, bounce, and gas it.
Coots has an idea. A lot of gas, a little gas.
Got it.
Sometimes we have really bad ideas. There's a tree that just jumped over our garbage bin.
This tree jumped our garbage bin all over. Maybe trim that thing real quick. Oh, you think you can pull us?
maybe trim it out.
Should I try the other strategy again, where I gun it and hope for the best?
Check out the log that it's on. You can see it between the pontoons like right here.
Oh yeah, that little guy. Dude, don't fall in, man. Like, you would probably die if you went under that.
Yeah, go front left.
This is a horrible idea. All right. Oh no, 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 no. Ah, gotcha. I'm front left. Do you want me to bounce? I'm getting tired, man. I might have to eat another Hot Pocket. That was a good time for you to head on over to moneypitboating.com and get your Money Pit Boating t-shirts. Hurry now while supplies last.
I'm pretty sure it's hung up on the strap.
Well, we need the strap.
If you're new here, we have straps holding our one pontoon on because we got a little nervous that it was gonna fall off.
They go around under there. We got two of them, one over there, one over here. This thing does look like it's being peeled back right now. So you think it's being held up?
There's a huge log on the strap.
There you go.
You can even see the log right over here somewhere.
Yeah, I see it. I find it hard to believe that little strap can hold this boat down current on a slippery, wet log.
When we came to a stop, it sounded like a strap being like,
So you want to cut this strap?
not really, but I don't want to stay here.
We got Hot Pockets, hot beef.
Drastic stuckness calls for drastic measures.
We decided that we're gonna cut our strap and roll the dice.
There's a big log hung up on one of the straps holding our pontoons together. Hopefully cutting that will be enough to get us free.
Oh my God. Dude, the pontoon dropped like 2 inches.
There was a shift.
We just gotta tiptoe and hope our pontoon doesn't fall off the side of the boat.
Strap is cut. Let's see if we can't move.
Ooh, there we go. Ah!
Now we got this huge log we gotta avoid.
Dude, I gotta give it gas, man. Dude, hang on. Ooh, dude, the motor's like hitting something. Prepare for impact. We're hitting that torpedo. Oh no.
The motor had the strap half on it.
Oh no. Double oh no. We're pinned up on that torpedo. You want me to jump?
Yeah.
There we go. Hop on, hop on. Oh no.
Oh boy. Okay.
Oh my God.
That was a little bit rough. Let's see if we could go up Skeeter Dam. That left that we never made it up before. Let's see what's out there since that way was Well, this looks about like what it looked when I went through by myself, but that doesn't mean that it's safe. Every route that we try to take on the river is jammed up. Oh, it's so frustrating. So sign up to Patreon to give us money to make something worthy to go on the lake.
Thanks for following today's adventure. If you like this, click right over here. Check out our other videos, and thanks for watching.
Oh, that Hot Pocket's not feeling great.
No.